Oh my goodness. Just look at this beauty. A cover to my amazing channel. No long talk. Let's dive into how I achieved this. So I have here half a medium-sized onion, two garlic cloves, and a piece of ginger. You can only use onions and garlic, but trust me, the ginger adds a flavor that is unimaginable. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water and blend it into a very smooth paste. So this is my first official YouTube video. Please click on the subscribe button and then comment below if you want to see more of these videos and more amazing videos. This paste right here is a game changer, I tell you. And oh, I have a little tip for you coming up. So this is the remaining half of the onion that wasn't used. I want to store it in the fridge, but I don't want any pungent smell and I don't want it to become poto or mushy. So I'm just going to get my cling film and then wrap it tightly around the onion with the onion facing upside down to avoid any oxygen or release of smell. So yep, there we go. I hope this helps. It works perfectly for me. I'm sure it will too for you. Yep, so let's get right into the business. So I have here my plain flour. I'm not really sure if this measurement is accurate, the 450 grams. And then we have 2 cups right here. Sorry I used a felt pen, but yeah, let's take it easy. So it wiped off and I decided to use a pen to write it. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna add my margarine to it, or butter, whichever one you prefer. Yeah, so since I added 12 tablespoons of flour, I'm supposed to add 6 tablespoons of butter, but I like to add it in bits so that I see the consistency before adding the rest. So I just added 4 tablespoons. I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt to taste, because I already have salt in the butter, and I'm going to start mixing it. So you're going to mix it, and I think I'm going to just use my hands because it makes it better and faster. And mind you, I washed my hands earlier, very clean, so I'm just going to dig in. So yeah, you just mix it up. So this is the 5th tablespoon of margarine or butter, and I think that's all I'm going to use for now. It doesn't have to be very sticky, it has to be very sandy. I decided to stop adding the margarine because I realized it was making it more, pasty. So yeah, this is the final result. This is what you're looking for. So yeah, when you get this, you add your secret ingredients to it, and then don't forget the ginger. It really helps. So the mixture is going to help me bind them together, and then I can form a dough. It doesn't have to be too hard, it doesn't have to be too soft. Yep, so I'm just gonna prep my working board with flour, sprinkling some flour on it, yeah, to give me a smooth surface. Yeah, so we're getting ready. I'm just gonna divide this in 2 halves because my workboard is not really big, so I want to do it in 2 batches. You can do it together if you have a very big workboard, and that's perfectly fine. Yeah, so we're gonna roll it, roll away. As you can see, this is an improvised rolling pin. Please spare me. Like I said, let's take it easy. This is your kitchen, and cooking is all about improvising. So yeah, this is the thickness we are going for, and if you want to make it thinner, you just have to roll more, flatter. But if you want to make it thicker, then you just have less rolling to do. So yeah, you're gonna cut it into little pieces, any size you want, and in any shape as well. Yeah, I'm gonna get it ready for frying. So there we go. I'm getting my oil ready, heated. It needs to be really hot. You need your oil to be hot before you start frying so that it could come out crispy as you want it and very tasty without absorbing too much oil. Mine, oh mine, you know when you're frying something and you're eating alongside? I forgot I was filming, and this is like the third batch of frying. I'm so sorry guys, but look how it turned out. Isn't this beautiful? It's really delicious. And yeah, there we go. Our ChinChin is ready. Our Ghana chips is so ready, and I'm just gonna pack it into little bags so that I can store it in the fridge again, because we're not gonna finish everything today. No way. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next video, let me go enjoy my chips because my drink is ready.